What is up, my YouTubers? Blue of Claws Hill, and today, oh shit, you can't do that. Hey,
Look, you go through. I'll hand you the pumpkin. You walk out there to a rock and bust it.
what you doing?
Hey, there's a rock right up there.
What you doing?
Walker.
Hey,
Walker. Just go around and go through. I'll give you the pumpkin. Take it right up there and bust it on that rock. Let me film you doing it.
oh,
Okay?
okay.
I'll
This
film
is
you
side.
doing it. I'll film you doing it. All right. You got that. Well, I was going to give it to you, but you can go through there.
How?
Just go through the...
There's some rocks over there out of the fence.
Just go through and go over there and bust it. Well, you can do it right here. Move. 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 Move.
You better watch out. Because
Go over there and bust it, Walker. Y'all follow Walker. Follow Walker. Not me.
well,
That rock right there.
with ant hills,
There's no ants over there.
I see ant hills.
Bust it right there. Yeah. I pick it up and bust it again.
Oh God. Here you go.
There you go. Good job. All right, let them go. Let them eat it.
Pappy, there is ant hills.
Really? They ain't worried about the ants. They can eat them too.
Alright. It's okay. I'm out of here.
Her tip bag is beginning to fill up a little bit.
Really?
Yep.
Whose?
Molly's.
Oh.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
What are you doing coming back over here, dumbass? Go over and eat the pumpkin. I said you donkeys would eat it. Damn it, now y'all ain't even doing nothing. Never again will I do this. You get no more pumpkins. You get no more pumpkins. Did you hear me?
Pappy,
What?
let them be.
Let them be?
Yeah.
Here, take it. No more pumpkins. Rain. No more pumpkins for you.
Alright.
Oscar said, boy, that donkey put them ears back. And he
Like
said,
that one?
yeah, but down, you know. And he said, oh, God, I got out of there. I thought, that donkey grabbed a hold of me with them teeth and
And
wouldn't let me go.
Oscar?
Yeah. He said, donkeys can hurt you. They can kick you and bite you and everything.
Yes, they will. They probably eat the pumpkin if we leave them alone.
Maybe.
Bye, Rain and Molly.
If y'all don't eat it, you don't get no more.
Yeah, right.
You don't have to tell the ghosts that they're eating the devil out of it.
Yeah. Alright guys, this is Safe for Farm Life. Thank you guys so much for watching. And so please like, subscribe for both videos. And God bless you all. And Blue of Chloe Sound. Arrgh!
These crows.